Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 3, and today I will show you how we can import your contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one. I'm gonna skip signing in, it does not really matter. And then you want to navigate to Fix and Manage SIM. This will then display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now, I believe there should be a drop-down menu somewhere here below the Manage SIM if you have, for instance, a Google account signed in on the device, which for the most part, almost everyone will. Yes, I don't. So by default, the device will choose the Google account, but because I guess I don't have any kind of account signed in, it only leaves me with one option, which is the device, and therefore doesn't give me any kind of option to change it, as there is nothing I can change it to. So from there, you want to click on the three dots, and you can select Import. Now, one more thing is you can deselect some of these contacts if you don't want all of them. So you just click on the checkbox, obviously, like so. Anyway, once you select Import, this will give you a message that a set amount of contacts have been imported. And when you go back to the contacts list, you can see that now all of them appear in here, where previously there was only this contact visible here. One last thing is, depending on where you imported your contacts to, if you have multiple options, you might need to change the display location. Right now it's displaying it from the phone, which you can see it with this tiny little phone icon right here next to the search area. And if you tap on it, it will also allow me to display contacts from the SIM card, and if I have Google account or multiple, I could choose them from here as well. One last thing I'm going to also add is, if you're wondering if you can display contacts from the SIM card, why would you import them? Simple answer is the contacts on your SIM card do not have as many options for editing. So as an example, you can't add a photo to it, and if you go into editing these contacts, or right here, you only are left with two options: name and number. But if we go to the same contact in the device and edit it, and you can see that we have now first name, last name, company, phone number, other labels. I can choose multiple numbers for like home, mobile, and all that stuff, email addresses, some kind of significant dates, birthday, and so on. So you can see you have much more options here. And additionally, you can also set up a contact photo. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.